Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create exit intent pop-ups in Elementor. Let's dive straight in. To create exit intent pop-ups in Elementor, you must have Elementor Pro and of course Elementor. So you just come over to templates and then go to pop-ups. And once you are here, then you can create a new pop-up. So to create a new pop-up, you just click here on add new pop-up and then you can name the pop-up. You can select the element type, which is the pop-up, and then you name the pop-up. So we can say exit intent, and then you create the pop-up. However, we have already created our own pop-up and this is how it is. Let me just open it over here in Elementor. This is how our pop-up looks like. I basically made a section element and then I added the title element, which I just dragged from right here and put here. And then I also got the video element, which I also got from here in the elements, which is called video. I dragged it over here. And then I added one of my videos from YouTube where I was showing how to fire pop-ups on click. And then I added a button element right from here, still in the elements, which is called a button element. So nothing pretty fancy here. So if you don't know how to create pop-ups, I'm going to link up a video in the card or in the description below so that you can check out that video and see how you can create your own pop-ups. Once you are done creating your pop-up, you just come over here to display conditions, and then on the conditions section, I selected that it should pop up on the entire site, but this is entirely to you to decide how and where you want your pop-up to show up. It may be on singular pages, it may be on only blog posts that are having a specific tag or a specific kind of media, or whatever the way you want it to be. So you can always select on how and where your pop-ups will show up. And then the trigger is on page exit intent. So this is the main thing here. So on the trigger section, you have to enable the on page exit intent. It really matters on the user experience side of your website. So in this case, I'll select maybe desktop and mobile. So I just save and close. Once I save and close, I just have to come over to my website. I can navigate around whichever page I want to go to. I can even go down here to, let me say, the contact page, and then I can write these people and send them a message. However, once I reach at the point of exiting, then it will display this pop-up. So guys, that's how you create an exit intent pop-up in Elementor. I hope this video brought you value, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out new other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.